Okay, guys, we got a 2012 VW Tiguan. That's how it's pronounced. In Germany, that actually means tiger. So we're doing an oil change on it, and check this out. They got smart. Put the oil filter up there, kind of like the 6.0s, huh? So here's the process. There's a plastic tray underneath that you are going to have to get removed first so you can access it. And you can see it's dropped down right there by the oil pan. You don't need to drop the backside down because it hinges down. And those are all T25s all the way around. And then in the back, you have a couple of 1/2-inch bolts that hold it up. And the drain plug, you can see it, the oil drainer right there, that's 11/16. So I think you'd be okay with a 12 millimeter on the back and 11/16. So it would be a 16 or a 17 millimeter. And then you're just gonna change your oil filter here. Make sure you put a little bit of oil around it. I'm gonna put a link in the description below for the oil filter, the oil, and where I got it from, so if you want to check out the price on that. And 4.86 quarts is what this holds. That's with the filter. So make sure you top it off, pour your 4.5 quarts or so in it, fire it up, run it for about 60 seconds, shut it off, double check your oil with your dipstick, and then top it off, of course. So again, I'll put those links in the description below. So please do me a favor, please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always, guys, enjoy.